What's up, everybody? Great weather today. I actually wanted to record this video before the other that I uploaded yesterday. But since yesterday it was very windy, I couldn't get out and ride my bike, because today I actually wanted to make some big announce. Well, some announce, that's enough, of what I plan to do during the month of August. I indeed want to make some motorcycle trip through Germany, Switzerland, Italy and France, and then go back. It will last about 12, 13 days maybe. It's about 3,500 kilometers long. So it's definitely the longest trip I ever did. I can't wait to be riding all these mountains, riding through all these landscapes, seeing those beautiful countryside. The route I planned on my Garmin contains a lot of passes in the Alps, including the highest pass of all. So be sure to check my other video I uploaded yesterday to see all of my route through Europe. Ciao!